If you're craving chicken pot pie, but you don't have the time to make one, this stovetop chicken pot pie soup is the perfect fix. So the first thing we're gonna do to get started is heat up some of the oil in our soup pot over medium-high heat. I cubed my chicken breasts and I'm gonna cook them for about 3 to 5 minutes until they're lightly browned on all sides. We're not cooking them fully through, so don't worry. All you have to do is brown them throughout. Then we remove the chicken pieces from the pot with a slotted spoon onto a plate and set it aside. If you had a lot of moisture or juices in the pot, simply drain it out. Add a little bit of oil back in and begin to saute your onions. Now, as you can see, I coarsely chopped the onions since they're going to cook down anyway. I'm also adding my carrots and celery right into the pot with the onions and cook them for 3 to 5 minutes until the onions have become translucent and the celery have begun to soften up a little. I'm gonna add all of my seasonings into the pot one by one and a little salt. By the way, I'm gonna have the measurements for you right below this video as well as a link to the printable recipe. Now we add the chicken broth or stock into the pot and we add our chicken pieces as well. You'll wanna bring this soup to a boil, giving it a stir, and then reduce the heat and simmer it covered for 20 to 30 minutes until the carrots are fork tender. Now we want this soup to have that thick texture that we find inside a pot pie. So to do this, we're gonna make a slurry in a small bowl by combining some cornstarch and water. We're gonna add it into the soup along with our half and half and the green peas. We want to give the soup a good stir with the heat still on and continue simmering on low for another 10 minutes so the soup can thicken up. From time to time, come back, give it a stir, and by the way, a little separation in the cream is totally normal. If you don't like it how it looks, heat up the cream first before adding it into the pot. Check out how thick and hearty this soup is. So many veggies, lots of flavor, and you know it's gonna hit the spot. All you have to do is ladle some into a bowl, add a little more broth as needed, and this is one soup that you're gonna love. If you love this recipe, you'll also love my easy chicken stew, so make sure to watch this next video. See you guys next time.